Hello, my beautiful darlings, and welcome to our channel. I'm your teacher, Emma. I am so happy to see you here today. Let me just say, you are a genius for clicking on this video. No, really, deciding to learn English is a top-tier life choice, right up there with deciding to put cheese on everything. You're already winning. Today, we're going to talk about something a little bit strange. Something that I see new English learners do all the time. It's a habit. It's an addiction. It's a linguistic mystery. We're going to talk about the uncontrollable desire to add an S to everything. So, get comfortable. Grab your coffee or that secret soda you hide from your family. Settle in, relax, and let's talk about a very special, very strange, and very common habit. A secret power, really. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. You see a word, a beautiful singular word, and your brain just screams, more! It needs more! Put an S on it. One dog? Two dogs. Perfect! One book? Two books. Amazing. One information? Two informations? Oh boy. Today we are going to explore the psychology of the plural-obsessed learner. Why do we do it? Let's be honest. The desire for more is human nature. Who wants one shoe when you can have many shoes? Who wants one friend when you can have many friends? Who wants one problem when you can have many problems? Okay, maybe not that last one. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but Emma, S is for plural. It's easy. One dog, two dogs. One cat, two cats. And you are absolutely right. Wow, you're so smart. But what about when you see things like this? I like to drink waters. I like to eat foods. My friend is a good person's. A little bit weird, right? So what's happening here? Let's pretend you are a brilliant detective, and our first suspect is the letter S. What is its job? Well, the main job of the S is to make a word plural. It's a team of one. It takes a single noun and says, hey, you're not alone anymore. You have friends. The basic idea, the beautiful, simple rule that you first learn is this. To make something plural, you add an S. It's the bread and butter of English, the foundation. It's so easy, so satisfying. One cat, two cats. One idea, two ideas. You've got this. This is easy. You feel powerful. You are the master of plurals. You walk down the street pointing at things. Tree, trees. Car, cars. Banana, bananas. Nothing can stop you. But then, English, being the funny, slightly crazy language it is, decides to throw a party, and not everyone is on the guest list for the simple S Club. Words ending in S, SS, SH, CH, X, and Z. These words are very shy. So, English gives us a solution, a little hero. These words don't want to just add another S. It's too much work for them. It's like trying to put on two pairs of pants. It's just not comfortable. So, they need a little help. They need a special assistant. This assistant is the ES. It's like a little red carpet we roll out for the final sound. It makes everything smooth and elegant. Imagine you are trying to say the plural of watch. Go on, try it. Watches. It feels weird, right? Your mouth makes a strange hissing sound like a confused snake. It's awkward. So, one kiss becomes two kisses. One box becomes two boxes. One boss becomes two bosses. Oh my God, can you imagine two bosses? Terrifying. Let's practice this for a second. It's super easy. I'll say the singular, and you will say the plural out loud. Yes, right now. talk to your screen. It's not weird. I say 1 dress. You say 2 dresses. I say 1 glass. You say 2 glasses. I say 1 quiz. You say 2 quizzes. See? You're a natural. You've just mastered the hissing sounds. Whew. High five. Now, let's add more gossip to this story. Let's talk about the letter Y. The letter Y is emotional. It's a bit of a drama queen. Its plural form depends entirely on who it hangs out with. If Y comes after a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, it's happy. It's confident. It just takes a simple S like sunglasses. Like 1 boy, 2 boys. 1 key, 2 keys. The Y is having a good day. But if Y comes after a consonant, all the other letters, it has a complete meltdown. Oh, it gets rid of itself, and in its place, we get IES. The Y literally cries itself into IES. So, 1 baby becomes 2 babies. 1 city becomes 2 cities. Think of it like this. The Y is a celebrity. With its vowel friends, it's cool, just adds an S like sunglasses. With its consonant friends, it needs a whole new identity, a complete makeover. It becomes IES. It's very Hollywood. So, a common mistake people make is saying cities or parties. And while we understand you, it's like wearing socks with sandals. You can do it, but should you? No! Remember the crying Y. Okay, look around your room. Do you see a key? Maybe you have many keys. Do you see a puppy? No? Okay, me neither, but if I did, I would want 2 puppies. What about a story? Do you like to read stories? Tell me in the comments 1 thing you see that ends in Y. Now, we get to the really fun part. The rebels, the rule breakers. These are the words that look at the S rule and just left. They do their own thing. These are the irregular plurals. You know them. 1 man. 2 mans? No, it's 2 men. 1 woman? 2 womans? Oh, definitely not. It's 2 women. And we say women. I know. It's crazy. Just accept it and move on. These words decided to be unique, to be special. 1 child becomes 2 children. 1 foot becomes 2 feet. 1 tooth becomes 2 teeth. This is why going to the dentist is so scary. They don't just look at 1 tooth, they look at all your teeth. And my personal favorite, the one that A1 learners love to get wrong, and it's okay. We're fixing it today. 1 person, 2 persons? Wrong! It's 2 people. Yes, 1 person, 2 people, 1,000,000 people. Persons is a word, but it's very formal, very legal, like something you'd see on an elevator sign. In everyday life, you see people at the cinema. Let's make a promise. We will use the word people. Repeat after me. I see crazy people. Good! And then there are the lazy ones, the words that don't change. 1 fish, 2 fish. 1 sheep, 2 sheep. 1 deer, 2 deer. They have decided that life is too short to worry about plurals. Imagine 1 sheep looking at a field of other sheep. He doesn't see sheeps, he sees family. Beautiful. Sometimes we want to add an S because it feels logical. But English grammar is not always logical. It's a beautiful, messy, historical mix of different languages. It's like a very old house with secret rooms and strange rules. Today, we learned that for most words, we add a simple S. For words with hissing sounds, we add ES to be fancy. For words ending in Y, we check its friends and decide if it's a happy SE or a dramatic E's. And we learned about the rebels, the irregular plurals like men, women, children, and people who do whatever they want. In English, and maybe in life, trying to apply one simple rule to everything doesn't always work. Sometimes you need to pay attention to the details, to the exceptions. Variety is the spice of life. And grammar. Trying to make everything plural just gives you more problems. Sometimes one is enough, especially one tax bill. You have done an amazing job today. Seriously, your brain is absorbing all of this, even if it feels like a lot. You're fantastic. Keep going. Now, after watching this video, for the next 24 hours, I want you to be a plural detective. Your mission is to look at the world differently. Don't just see objects. See them in singular and plural. Look at your desk. One pen, maybe 3 pens. Look in your kitchen. 1 spoon, many spoons. See? You get the idea. Let's hear your dreams in the comments. I'll start. I have 1 cat, but I wish I had many cats. Okay, your turn. And while you're down there, send this video to a friend who also loves to add an S to everything. Let them know they are not alone in their beautiful, grammatically questionable journey. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I can't wait to see you in the next video, where we will explore another gloriously weird part of the English language. Oh, wait. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Or else I will be forced to send you 100 children and 100 sheep. And trust me, you do not want to clean up after them. See you in the next video. Bye-bye for now, my amazing friends.